Hello guys, welcome to Travel and Food Vlog. Thank you for your love and support for my last videos. Okay, today we're gonna make indigo pyaza for today's vlog. So let's get started. Just follow me. As you can see that I have taken a one chop tomato. Okay, some big onion for the indigo pyaza. Some bhindi. Here dal. Also gonna make. Okay, some curd. So let's get started. Just slice it all the onion. First, we are making dal. Then we are going to start in the pyaza. So, continue. Right now, we have taken one cooker. Okay, for the dal. Okay. So here's a red lentils, which we gonna wash it properly always. Our lentils are washed. So now we put in the hot cooker. In that we have to put some more ingredients like onion, tomato, chili. So now we have to put some water in it. Put some haldi, some coriander powder. Here's some chopped onion here. We use this for making dal. Some tomato here. Here's some chili. Put some salt in it as per your taste for dal. So now we cover it for the 2 whistles. Because our dal is ready, so we're gonna make Bhindi pyaza. Keep watching. Now we are going to start to make a Bhindi pyaza. Let's get started. So now you have to cut the bhindi like this. So first cut the top, okay, and the edge of the bhindi. Now cut in the big shape, okay, like this. Like this, you have to cut the whole the bhindi. So we have taken a pan over here, okay. Now I'm going to add oil in hot pan. So first we have to fry some bhindi and big onion as we already kept it ready for it. Okay. Fry it properly at least for 2 minutes. A big onions of chunks properly. Keep it for at least 2 minutes more. So we kept it ready. One more pan over here with some of oil. Put some chopped garlic. Some chili. Our bhindi is almost fried. It's ready to put in this pan. Okay. Put some chopped onion in it. When it will get brown, we are going to add some chopped tomato in it. Tomato इसमें डाल दिया है. Just saute till it get mashy. When it look like it's properly mashed, put some amchur powder or dry mango you can say. Put some garam masala as well. A little bit haldi and coriander powder. Have to stir it properly. So now we are ready to put some curd over here to make some proper gravy in it. If you don't have a curd at home, so you can also try with your water as well. As you can see how beautiful color is coming in this. Now we are ready to put fried bhindi and onion in it. So now we have added the fried bhindi and onion in this. Just you have to stir it properly that every masala will be covered all over bhindi and onion. As you can see, this is almost ready. Till the time it's getting cooked, okay, we're gonna fry dal for us. Put some cumin in the oil to fry. We have already chopped this garlic for the dal. Now I have to put this. We have to keep fry this garlic and cumin. Put some salt in it and mix it properly. We are going to add dal in this fried pan. So we kept it some coriander on it as a garnish in this and dal as well. So now we are ready with our dish. So now we are ready with two dishes, bhindi to pyaza and dal. Our bhindi to pyaza ready to eat. कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइए दोस्तों कैसा लगा आपको ये मेरा ये भिंडी दो प्याज़ा. आप घर पे ज़रूर ट्राई कीजिए और बताइए हमें कमेंट में कैसा लगा आपको. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe my channel.